What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron and welcome to my channel, a channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. So as you guys know, yesterday I made a video, letting you guys know that I will be starting a business with only spending $300, and then we're going to scale that business to $100,000 in 5 months or less. So yesterday was just, day one. Now today is day two. So if you really want to start a business as well, you don't know what business to start or how to start a business, look, man, all I'm saying is this: I'm going to be taking these steps really, really slow, so that whoever has never started a business before, this is going to be a really good opportunity for you to follow along every day, because every day is going to be small, simple steps that you can take. Instead of me giving you a whole video, with everything combined and compressed, I'm going to be breaking down into small videos, so that way every day as I make one step, you're also making one step. So that way, once we get to where we need to be, it's going to be fluid, man. It's going to be easier, versus trying to watch everything and grasp all the information at once. We're going to take it little by little, man, small bite sizes until we eat the whole entire meal. Today is day two. So today we're actually going to look for the name of the business and, also source who's going to make our logos, or if we're going to be able to make the logos ourselves as well, we can go ahead and do that as well. So I did not mention it, but I'm actually starting a CMOS business. Now, you don't have to start a CMOS business, but if you do, you can go ahead and start it as well. That is up to you. So right now, I don't have the name in my head yet, but we're going to use, some AI, to help us really come up with a really, really nice name. And if they don't come up with a nice name, maybe they can give us an idea, so that way we can actually come up with a really, really good name based on the idea that the AI will be providing us. All right, so enough with the talking, man. Let's go to my laptop right now. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go on ChatGPT. You can put, I guess, chatgpt.com, and you guys should be able to see this window right here. All right, and when you go on ChatGPT, what you're gonna do is you're gonna ask ChatGPT for some help, so that way you can come up with some really nice name for your business. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna come right here on ChatGPT.com. All right, you should be able to see this window right here when you hit ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT.com. All right, this right here should pop up. ChatGPT is gonna be the main key, the main AI key to really help us come up with a really nice business name for our business. Or like I mentioned, I'm doing a CMOS business, so I'm gonna need help, trying to come up with some nice CMOS names for the business, or some type of name that I know I can, use to make sense with the whole CMOS business. So let's see. Let's try this right here. Right? Create me 10 business names for an online store that sells CMOS. We're gonna see what ChatGPT is gonna come up with. Okay, so far we have some really nice names: Ocean Harvest Co., Sea Mystic, Aqua Grove, all these stuff. Like, these names look cool already. I don't know, man. Let me try another one. I want to try another one. Okay, so as you guys can see, like, I'm asking the same question, but it's giving me like different names all over. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, ChatGPT is so smart. All right, I could have just asked for 20. I guess I could have just asked for 20 names, but I only asked for 10. But that's fine though. That's fine. We can do 10 at a time. So all you want to do is just, where it says message ChatGPT, you kind of want to feed the ChatGPT all the information possible. You want to make sure that you're thorough with whatever you want ChatGPT to accomplish. So, to be honest, guys, look, I already came up with the name. I already came up with my name, and ChatGPT did help me come up with my name. And there we go, right there. Seaglow Organics, right? So that's the name I already chose. So too late, guys. It's too bad for y'all. If you guys want this, too bad for y'all. Seaglow Organics. You know what's so funny? I actually came up with Seaglow Organics. Hey, like, ChatGPT gave me some like Seaglow something, and then it had another name, that I think it was like Aqua something Organics. So I was like, what? Why don't I just take Seaglow and then put Organics right at the end? This is crazy, because now on the third try, Seaglow Organics actually came up. I think because I already, registered my name with Shopify, it probably showed that this name is possible. But too late, guys. I already bought my domain, y'all. I already bought my domain, so you guys can't steal my business. I already bought my domain, right? So guys, once you find and once you really like your business name, you really come up with a nice business name. It's now time to create a business logo. I'm gonna show you guys where to go to create a logo, and also how to do it yourself if you do have the time. So ChatGPT is free. This thing should, like, this step right here should only take you 5 minutes to 10 minute maximum. Now, if you want more inspiration, maybe it's gonna take you 30 minutes because you kind of want to think deep on the name that you really want your business to be called, which is something that's important. But for me, you know, I kind of like the Sea Glow Organics because, I mean, come on, sea moss is in there, and you know, glow, you know, your body glows after you take sea moss because it detoxes, and organics because we are going to sell organic products. So that's why I really, you know, bang with this name right here, Sea Glow Organics, right? So now we're good with the name. We're gonna go to Fiverr. If you guys have not used Fiverr, guys, get on Fiverr right now. So if you're a busy person, you don't have time, you know, to always be at home and work on a business, you can always leverage a lot of different websites, you know, or freelancers like Fiverr. All you have to do is type in Fiverr.com. So it's Fiverr.com, right? Oh, come on now. Fiverr.com. There we go. Pow. If you don't have an account, go ahead and make an account because you will need an account if you want all your work to be saved, right? So as you guys can see, hello Deron, it means that I have an account. And guys, I'm not BSing you. I've been using Fiverr since I've been using Fiverr since 2017, but this account, I've had it since 2018. So logo design, it's already here. Logo design, right? So when you guys type in logo design, you know, you guys, it's going to show you guys a lot of different options. You guys can see the price right here from $15, $35, $50, $50. So because I already paid for my logo that I made for this Sea Glow Organics, I only spent $10. To be honest, I could have spent $5 on this logo, to be honest, because it was very simple. But you guys can see how cheap this is. I mean, $15, you're investing $15 in your own business. But if you're someone right now that's on a tight budget and you're like, yo, Deron, $15 is too much, can we go down? The lowest that you can go is $5. You can come right here where it say budget, and then you can just type in 5 for $5 and hit apply. And what it's going to do is it's going to resource all, you know, the freelancers, all the logo designers or graphic designers that actually can start from $5 and up. You know, right here from $5 they can create your logos for $5 right here. $5 they can create your logo, and they've already have over 1,000 comments or ratings. So, you know, it's so easy. Look at this, $5, you can get you a nice logo. Come on, $5. So guys, if you can't afford $5 to really invest in yourself, it's time for you to, I don't know, man, do some type of side hustle to get the $5, all right? But this is the, you know, this is the paid version of you getting a logo if you don't really have a creative mindset, or if you don't have time to really spend, you know, on the internet or on any app to create your logo. You can just come right here on Fiverr, boom, 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 logo is created, right? Now, after Fiverr, you know, matter of fact, let me just show you guys my orders so you guys can know that I'm not BSing you guys. Look at this, right? I already got my logo made. You guys see this on the 20th, so you guys see it's legit, right? You guys can copy this. If you guys want to pay this person, you know, they charge me $10, but with taxes it's $13. If you guys want to, you know, if you guys want to go to this person so they can make your design, look the person name up, look them up, you know, let them know I sent you, and they're going to be happy to help you with your design. They're pretty fast. Their communication is pretty good. They speak English because a lot of people on Fiverr are from, you know, third world countries, but these people do speak English. I mean, she speak English. She was a female. She was really good. But yeah, so this is my order right here. Let me show you guys what she did. All right, I'm going to show you guys what she did. So this is the work she did. Now, to be honest, I'm not going to use any of these logos. I kind of want to pay someone to see if they can do a better logo than myself. But obviously, I mean, the first logo was okay. Second logo was pretty basic. The third logo was so ugly. I mean, bruh. Sea Glow Organics like this, come on, man. I could have did this when I was in 3rd grade. And this right here was pretty cool. You know, it kind of looked like a supplement company that sell, like, I don't know. It just doesn't give me a sea moss logo vibe. I didn't like it. It was too, it was, I don't know. It was okay. The first one was, it was alright, man. I don't know. Look, to be honest, she did take her time with these logos, but for me personally, I wasn't a big fan. So, I'm not gonna look at it as if I lost $13. I mean, I kind of just invested the money because I was pretty busy this week. But because I didn't like it, I went on Canva. Now with Canva, as you guys can see, pow, right? Your payment failed, good, because I'm not paying you guys if this is free. As you guys can see right here, with Canva, you can go ahead and create your own logo. All right. All you gotta do is when you go on Canva, I really don't want to show you guys the front page because it's a lot of my personal designs there. But I guess when you go to, let me see if I can do it from here. Let me see if I can do it from here. You know what? Let's just go home. Alright guys, so if you guys want the free version, you guys can just go to Canva. So you go to canva.com, right? You create your account on Canva. Now there's a free version and there's the paid version. I used to pay for Canva when I used to use it a lot, but now that I don't use it a lot anymore, I really don't pay for it anymore. So I just, when they remove my card, they try to charge my card so many times, it's not going through because I'm not paying for Canva anymore. But here, when you go on the home page, right, you guys will see this right here. You guys can create a doc, whiteboard, logo. You want to click on logo because what you want to do is make a freaking logo. All right, so just think about the name of the company. So let's say for me, the name of my company is Glow Organics. So I need something, you know, that's kind of gonna like, I don't know, it's gonna look simple and attractive at the same time, right? Simple and attractive at the same time. So personally, Glow Organics, see, something like this will be cool, you know, with the plant on top. That would be cool. Let me see this. Let me try this right here. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to create. So you guys can see, right, when you click on logo, they give you a lot of templates already. You guys can create or copy the templates that they give you. Just because it says circle, it doesn't mean that your logo is gonna be called circle. You can change the wording yourself, right? These are just like templates that you guys can use to create your logo. So for instance, right here, I can just come here and do Glow, right? We can remove the dot. Pow. And let's make sure we move this. So yeah, Glow. I'm gonna make sure I center this up. Down bottom. Organics. Pow. Since 2023. Oh yeah, I like this because we did start this in 2023. Well, the idea came in 2023. Here we go. Now you know what? No. This idea came in 2024. So you know what? I'm not even gonna worry about this right here. So let me just go ahead and remove this. All right. So Glow. Maybe the C can be green. You guys can see how I'm creating this logo, bro. Like I don't know why I paid the person $13. I could have just did a simple logo myself. Color green. There we go. I'm not gonna lie. I like this one really good. I like this. Look, it took me, I don't know, it took me what, 1 minute to create this logo, Glow Organics. And this right here, pow, it already looks good. It looks really, really good. I like this. This right here is what I mean by simple, all right? Let me show y'all what she did for me. Let's go back. Like, these are okay. These logos are okay. Like this right here, Glow Organics. That's not bad. I guess I can tell she took her time with this. It's not bad. It's just too much going on for me. It's a lot of long E's and long L's. Like, maybe it's a cool logo, but I need something simple. This right here, Glow Organics, is just too long, right? It's too long. But this is what I came out. This is what I made right here, Glow Organics. Simple, straight to the point, and the fonts look very, I don't know, it looks sharp. All right, so that's how you make your logo. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and hit save right here. You can download it, right? PNG file, of course. I don't really care about the size. You can go ahead and can I hit transparent? Oh yes, I can do transparent background. Let's go. Wait, can I? Who cares? I'm not really going to worry too much about this right here because my background on my website is going to be white anyway. So maybe what I can do is I can change this background right here to white so that way it can blend in. There we go, pow. And then I can save this, download. There we go. All right. Now it's saved, guys. Whoa, that's not how it come on, and don't play with me. All right, man. Look like I'm gonna have to tweet this. I don't like the way it came out. Hold on. Let me try to like something like this. There we go. Maybe this right here is gonna work. Let's see. Come on. All right. There we go. Glow Organics. It's that simple, y'all. All right. You guys can see now, like I said, today is day 2, and we already came up with the name and we created our logo. I mean, all this right here, guys, you guys can do this, what I just did in like, I don't know what, 15 minutes, maybe? You guys can do everything in 15 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour if you really want to take your time. So guys, I'm really hoping you guys are finding value into this, because we are going to start this business with only $300. So we're not really gonna, you know, spend like a lot of money on like designing logos and all that bull crap. We can do everything on our own. And if we spend the money, it's gonna be very bare minimum, right? Like $5, $10, something small. So guys, this is it. All right, so today is day 2, and all we did on day 2 was come up with the name of the business and also create a logo for the business. All right, and if you guys found value in this video, I hope you guys really like this video. Share this video with someone who's really trying to start a business. And you know, and like I say, guys, I'm really taking this one step at a time. I'm not really doing everything in one video. Every video has some type of knowledge that you guys can learn and implement and then utilize it on your own business. All right, so I appreciate you guys. Make sure to follow me on social media. I am on Instagram at @ItsTheRun_. Make sure y'all show some love and some support. It's your boy, The Run. I'm out. Whoop.